Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be having an eyebrow tutorial, a beginner friendly tutorial. Let me not waste time and get started. First of all, you are gonna need a spoolie. This is to shape your brows. This is the brush I use. I don't really remember where I bought it from. I had it for like 5 or 6 years now. I had it since I started drawing my brows. Then you are gonna need a pencil. I would always recommend you use a sharp pencil. I also don't have a specific pencil brand that I use. I bought this at a China shop in Town Square, Vinyl. It was $15 and I think I use this brand a lot. I always use this, and always make sure your pencil is sharp, guys, just for better results. You should always try and sharpen your pencil. This is a concealer brush. It came with a set that I got in Discam. It's also quite nice. As you can see, it's sharp, it's thin, and it really produces good results. This is what I use for concealer. And this is the concealer that I use. I use LA Girl concealer. You can get it in Discam. I use the shade this is Fawn. You should always use something that is close to your color tone, and I think this is the closest. It's like 2 shades lighter than me, so I really love using this. Apart from that, I also have what do you call this thing? A beauty blender to help me blend out the concealer into my skin. It's obviously a wet beauty blender. We all know that you should not use a dry beauty blender when doing makeup. This is my beauty blender. It's a bit dirty, but it works perfectly. And this is, I don't think I'm gonna use this, but these are blades. It's what you have to, if you are trimming your brows or trimming a client's brows, it's what you actually start with first. I also don't have a specific blend. Sorry guys, sorry. I'm sure by now you are used. It's not a blend but a brand. I don't have a specific brand for blades. I buy the cheapest, and always try to use only one once, just for hygiene purposes. And lastly, I have this MAC brown gel. How do I focus? Okay, it's a brown gel from MAC. I use it for my eyebrows as well. I use it after I use the pencil, but you don't really have to use this. I think I only use it because I want to be bougie, but with or without it, your brows can still go. They can still go on, so you don't really need it. But if you have enough money and you want to really look nice, then you can get this. I don't really know how to talk and do my makeup. I think this is the first time. I really hope I'm clear. What I'm doing is brushing out my brows in the shape that I want. I didn't trim my brows because they're already trimmed. I barely trim my brows because I barely have brows, guys. I like only a few hair, countable hair, but it is what it is. Then I draw my desired shape. I always start down. I draw it. I always start with my tail, then I go in my base, then I go up all the way in. Guys, always take your time. You don't need to rush when doing your brows because you have an angry brow. Always invest time in your brow. After I'm done drawing the shape, I can fill it in. And you don't really have to draw a perfect shape because that's what concealer is there for most. If you go wrong in the drawing, then you can always correct it with concealer. Okay, I'll just repeat the process again this side. So I'm done drawing my brows. You can see that one is bigger than the other one. Guys, it always happens. They were not supposed to be identical twins. They should just be sisters. It's very odd for you to draw two perfect brows, but just try for them to be the same, just a little bit. They don't really have to be the same. Inui dipagera poka no one has perfect brows. When I'm done with drawing, I then go in with my gel and just put it on top of the shape that I draw with a pencil. This is just, I feel like the brow looks sharper when you draw it with a gel, but you don't really need to draw your brows with a gel. If you don't have a gel, then the show must still go on. I just do this because I have the gel and I love what the gel does to my end product, so I just smoothly put it on top of the shape I draw. The brow on my right is always the one that doesn't want to follow, guys. I don't know if it's because I'm left-handed. I don't really know how to draw on my right, or my right just has issues. Wanna looks nice, it never wanna look nicer. I'm just going back with a spoolie to blend out the dark color. You don't really want dark eyebrows, guys. We don't do that anymore. Okay, I'm just blending out the dark. Okay, now that I see my colors are well blended, okay, once I'm done drawing the brows and I'm happy with the shape I drew, I then go in with the concealer. I already showed you guys my concealer brush. It's recommended you use such a brush. You can, if you're comfortable using other brushes, it's okay. I just feel like this brush is very easy to use. I always start down, guys. This is the most tricky part, so you must always take your time. Take your time. Okay. Yeah. I normally use foundation up, but today I feel like using concealer because I don't know why. I think I'm just too lazy to get the foundation, but it's not recommended you use concealer on top because it always, what do you call it, you know, when you're taking a picture, on top there it's always white on top of your eyebrow. When there's flashlight on the picture, on the camera, the picture comes out white at your eyebrows, is because you use concealer on top. So I would recommend you use foundation. Let me just draw the shape that I want. These are really thick. I'm just cutting off. I'm cutting off most of this because it's really thick. Okay. When you are done drawing your eyebrow below, you must always pull down the concealer down on your base, so you use it as a base for your eyeshadow. I'm just gonna repeat the process this side as well. And once you are done drawing the shape you want, then you just go ahead and use your beauty blender to blend out the concealer. You see guys, I feel like the power of a pencil is not so important as the power of concealer. You can draw an ugly just an ugly eyebrow, and you can correct it with a concealer, because I'm sure you noticed how ugly my brows were. This one was bigger than this one, and this one was really thick, but this one was also very long. But once I went in with my concealer, everything looks perfect, and they kind of look alike. They look better than they were, right? Let me just quickly blend the concealer out with my beauty blender. And we are done. That was easy, right? Okay, maybe it wasn't easy for you because my explanations were really bad. I'm not a good teacher at all, guys, yo. But I really hope you learned a thing or two and just didn't waste your time here, because yo, I am a very bad teacher. I know, guys, even my small brothers complain. I literally don't know how to explain anything, but I really tried. I'm sure you mastered it most. Go get your pencil and your concealer so you try your brow. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you have subscribed to my channel. And please do like and share my videos so your cousins and your cousins friends and your cousins friends also can view this and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.